In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infinite logo carousel in Wix Studio. It's a fantastic way to showcase multiple logos seamlessly and bring a dynamic touch to your website. First off, let's head to the Wix website. Once you're there, log in and open the website you'd like to work on. We're going to focus on creating an eye-catching logo carousel within this specific site. Now that you have your website open, it's time to turn our attention to the header where our carousel will live. Find your website's header and expand it to give us some space to work with. Expanding the header means you have more room to adjust and place your logos without them feeling cramped or out of place. The next step is to go to the toolbar and click on Add Elements. When you do that, look for the Image option. This will allow you to either upload an image from your computer or select one from the variety of images Wix offers. Choose the logos you want to use. If you have them saved on your computer, simply upload them here. If you prefer to select from Wix's offerings, that's perfectly fine too. Just make sure it fits your design goals. With your chosen image or logo ready, select it to add to your page. Scale and position it to the desired size and placement within the header. Adjustments are key here, as you want your carousel to look seamless and professional. Once you have your first image positioned just right, it's time to create the carousel effect. Duplicate the image and place the copy right next to the original. This duplication trick will help create the illusion of an endless loop. A well-spaced layout prevents the logos from crowding into each other, preserving a clean look. Now for the fun part, adding animations. Click on the image and find the animation option. From there, choose Loop and browse the various effects available. Select an effect that complements the style and pacing you envision for your site. A smooth, continuous animation will enhance the professional feel of your logo carousel and make it more engaging for viewers. After setting up the animation, it's always wise to see everything in action. So go ahead and click on Preview. This allows you to view your newly created logo carousel in its full glory, exactly how visitors will see it. Look for fluidity in transition and ensure the loop runs continuously without interruption. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have a stunning, infinite logo carousel that rotates seamlessly. It's a modern touch that significantly elevates your website's aesthetic and usability. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide useful for your Wix website projects.